Today I'm going to show you how to change the background in Photoshop in just 1 minute. So first of all, have both the subject and the background open, and then simply just go ahead and drag the background layer over the subject document just like that and drop it over there. Now, if you want to adjust it using the move tool, just simply adjust it just like this. Now, once that is adjusted, take the background just below the subject and make sure the subject layer is selected. Now, select any selection tool and click on Select and Mask at the top. Now, once you're in Select and Mask, make sure the view is, don't worry about the background right now, make sure the view is onion skin and the transparency is somewhere around 50%. Now, with the help of the quick selection tool, you can just simply go ahead and paint on the subject just like that. And if you want to refine the edges, if the edges are not looking nice, with the help of the refine edge tool, just simply paint on the edges just like that and you're pretty much good to go. Now, before you hit OK, just make sure that you simply go ahead and select Output to Layer Mask. Hit OK once you're satisfied. Now, you have changed the background. If you want to adjust the background, so select the background and with the help of Move tool, just adjust it and there you go.